Let me save you hours looking for the perfect voice dubbing for your video content. I use Fish Audio to create all the voice dubbing for my short films. First, create an account and copy-paste the link I provided from my description down below. The link will direct you to the exact spot where you can directly use the voice I use. On the right side, you can see this voice is called Shadow. This voice is perfect for storytelling and mysterious narration, a deep, mature male voice with a serious and slightly mysterious tone. For the most realistic result, select the S2 Pro model, then type or paste your script to generate the text-to-speech audio. You can adjust the volume and speed based on your preference. Click on the tag between your sentences to personalize the tone and emotion. Now the voice has been generated, you will get two different versions.
The wind had a memory. It carried whispers across the dunes, curling around the folds of her veil as if trying to speak a language older than breath. The wind had a memory. It carried whispers across the dunes, curling around the folds of her veil as if trying to speak a language older than breath.
Hit the download button and it will be saved as an MP3 file that you can directly use in your video. For the second and third voices, I will highly recommend them to anyone who wants to use Japanese female voice in their short films. The second one is perfect for characters who need a mature, authoritative Japanese female voice with a dark and confident tone. Perfect for authoritative, dark, and dramatic content.
あなたはどう?欲しいもののためにどこまで代償を払える?
The third one is a gentle and reflective female voice with a warm conversational tone. This is perfect for podcasts, social media, or soft narration.
毎日毎日ただ同じことの繰り返し。生きるためだけに必死で人生の本当の意味なんて忘れちまってる。
Same method. Copy-paste my link and choose the S2 Pro model in the right side. Type in your script to generate content and choose the desired tone and emotion. If you want to use these voices again in the future, click on the voice name and save it. Go to My Voice and Bookmarks, and you can see all your saved voices. Hope this video saved you hours of searching for the perfect voice. Follow Fish Audio for more useful hacks.